Hey guys, RJ here. So for today, I want to help you guys out with an issue that you might be facing wherein a game isn't really launching and it shows error code 54. So we don't really know exactly what the issue is, but there might be some corrupted files or background processes that are stuck. So the quick fix here usually is to just restart Steam. So you need to just exit Steam. Just go to your taskbar, right click on Steam and then exit Steam. Once you have exited Steam, go to your task manager as shown here. And then once you're in your task manager, make sure to look for all processes related to Steam, like this one, Steam Client Web Helper, the Steam app itself, and pretty much anything relating to Steam. Try clicking S just to find it easier. So pretty much you just need to exit everything. Once that is done, you just need to restart your computer so that everything is fresh, everything is restarted. Usually this already fixes the issue, but just to make sure, just go to your library. For example, it's this is the game that you have issues on. Just go to your properties and then go to installed files and then just click on verify integrity of game files. So what this does is it will verify everything in the game and make sure nothing is corrupted or nothing is missing. And if there are any corrupted or missing files, Steam will prompt you to re-download it, and it will download it and fix it for you. So once that is done, hopefully it will fix your issue there and you'll be able to boot the game up. And that is it for today, guys. Hopefully that helps, and you have a wonderful day ahead.